Hi, my name is Neena and I will be teaching you how to take care of goats. First, you will need to feed them 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you'll feed them based on how much they weigh. The milk will be whole milk. It will need to be warm to about 100 degrees. You can feed them with either one of these nipples. They'll like one the most. You might need to cut the nipple a little bit if it's not coming out enough. But you don't want to cut it too much. You can feed them. Feed like this from a bowl. Minerals from that, but you don't want to put too much in, or else rats might get into it. And then hay, and then grass or leaves. The hay can be in a feeder or a bowl like that. You'll need to trim their hooves about once every 6 weeks. So their hooves will need to be trimmed, like those little parts right there. They will need to be trimmed about every 6 weeks. And then they like to jump, so you'll want jump things for them, like this, or little ledges like this. They also don't like to get wet, so you'll want a house with some ledges for them to sleep, and some water and food in there in case they get hungry during the night. How you will hold them, if you do want to hold them, you'll put your hand right here, and then put your other hand right there to support their back legs. You can sit down with them on your lap, but if you haven't trimmed their hooves a lot, it will feel sharp. I put a towel over my lap because it feels sharp. So, and also for the milk, you will have to tip it up for to make their necks long, and don't let them get air because they can't hiccup very well, and so it's not good for them to get air. There are also types of plants that are toxic too. So plants, over here we have little babies growing. We didn't have to pick them. They're like this. What kind are they called? These are called cherry laurel. They are toxic to the goats. They're toxic to the goats. I hope you learned about